Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In the previous session, we have discussed about the guided media. What is guided media? Guided media is a channel through which the data is transferred from sender to the receiver. But today we will discuss about the unguided media. Unguided media is that type of media in which there is no channel, there is no connection, there is no path from which the data is transferred. This is without channel, without path, and without the physical connection. So it is called unguided media. The first type of unguided media is microwave. Microwaves are used to transmit data without cables. In this media, parabolic antennas are mounted on the tower to send a beam to another antenna kilometers away. For example, let us draw here. This is a tower, and here we fix an antenna. There is the second tower, and this is the second antenna. This is parabolic antenna. These parabolic antennas transfer the beams from one antenna to another antenna few kilometers apart. Higher the tower is, greater is the range. Higher the tower, greater is the range. So parabolic antennas are mounted. Parabolic antennas are mounted on the tower to send a beam to another antenna. Kilometers away. Higher the tower, greater is the range. Higher the tower, greater is the range. Frequency range. Here frequency range is 4 to 6 gigahertz to 21 to 23 gigahertz. Bandwidth one to 10 bits per second. This is used for short distances. and it is inexpensive. Short distance are inexpensive, while as long distances are relatively expensive. And there is attenuation, that is loss of signal, in these type of medias. What are the advantages of microwave media? It is cheaper than using cables. Cheaper than using cables. Freedom from land acquisition. Freedom from land acquisition. There is no need of land to spread the cables. And ease of communication in difficult terrains. There is ease of communication. Ease of communication in terrains. We can communicate over oceans. What are the disadvantages? Disadvantages are insecure communication, out of phase signal, susceptible to weather conditions, bandwidth is limited, and maintenance is very high. These are some of the advantages and disadvantages of microwave transmission media. So the rest will be discussed in the next. Thanks.